Hey there and welcome to RV Gear and Far. I'm Joshua. When you're buying an RV, specifically a used one, know this. If a used RV hasn't had any repairs done, I'd be super skeptical. Every used RV has needed repairs at some point. Heck, most new RVs need repair between the manufacturer and the point where the customer takes it home from the dealer. What matters more is the transparency and how it was repaired. So a seller or dealer coming with a list of things that have been repaired is actually better than saying there's been no repairs done on this RV. Now, new RVs come with warranties, but that can also mean dealing with long wait times at service centers while they process paperwork or warranty information with the manufacturer. And wait times can often be weeks or even months at a time. This is where having an RV tech you trust or being handy yourself makes a huge difference. We won't dive into the specifics on this video, but I want you to be aware of virtual and mobile RV technician services. Products like RV Fix and RV Help can get you connected to qualified professionals for RV maintenance and repair while you're out on the road. And speaking of mobile RV technicians, when I bought our rig, I didn't even know that RV inspections were a thing. But I definitely see the immense value a disinterested third-party inspection can bring to the purchase of an RV, both a used one and a new one. That way, you can make your purchasing decision based on critical details to that rig specifically and get any issues addressed before you even take the rig home. We get inspections for our homes. Why wouldn't we get inspections for RVs? If you're looking for an RV inspector, RVhelp.com is a great place to start. I'll be sure to provide any appropriate information, affiliate codes, discount links, all that in the video description. Oh, and during the buying process, here's an obvious tip that a lot of folks forget about until after they've purchased. Step inside the shower and close the curtain or the door. Do you fit comfortably? Something as simple as enough room to clean yourself without kinking your neck or constantly fighting with a shower curtain around your shoulders can really impact your RV travels.